Want to copy or move files from iCloud Drive to your iPhone's local storage? With the Files app in iOS 26, it's easy to copy documents, images, or other files from your cloud storage and keep a backup locally. Here's how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Files app on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap the Browse tab. Under the Locations section, tap iCloud Drive. Now navigate through your folders and find the file you want to copy. Tap a folder to open it and locate your desired file. Once you've found it, touch and hold on the file until the Quick Action menu appears. From the menu, tap Copy. Now tap the back arrow twice to return to the main browse screen. From the list of locations, tap on My iPhone. This shows all the folders stored directly on your iPhone. Browse to the folder where you want to paste the file. To paste into an existing folder, tap to open it, then touch and hold on any empty space inside the folder until the Quick menu appears. Tap Paste. A copy of your iCloud file is now saved locally inside this folder. Want to create a new folder for your copied file? In the On My iPhone section, open the main directory where you want the new folder. Tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right, then choose New Folder. Give your folder a name, something like Local Backup or Documents, and tap Done. Now open that new folder, touch and hold on an empty area, and tap Paste from the menu. That's it. You've now created a local copy of your iCloud Drive file. This is a great way to store offline backups or access files when you don't have internet. Repeat these steps anytime you want to transfer files from the cloud to your iPhone's internal storage. If this helps simplify file management on your iPhone for you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this one.